On this video, it shows a code to test your Samsung Galaxy cell phone series. Having issues, like some areas of the screen is not touched responding. Some of the keys of your keypad are not working. Or maybe the camera flash is not flashing. And many more issues you want to verify. Here is a video that shows you all about this in just one code, before you take your cell phone to a repair technician. Now here is the code. #0 #. Now the screen shows most of the test areas of your cell phone. Test of screen colors like red, green, and blue. Dimming test. Camera test. Speaker test. Sleep test. Front camera test. Light emitting diode test. LED. Screen touch sensitivity. Searching for possible non-responsive spot of the screen to touch. Pass. This has been a demonstration on how to use this simple, but important code, to diagnose your Samsung Galaxy S series in case an issue of it is sensed, before dropping it to your technician for repair, or repair it by yourself.